So this is going to be today's video review for Tuesday, January 17th, 2017 for Drummond Energy bands. Today, before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 58.5. Best bet we're going to pop up to about 67. And when you're looking at our Drummond Energy bands, there's really two pieces of the software. There's the Drummond Energy bands, which is what you're looking at here. And then there is what is known as the ACT software. That's shown here. This projects support and resistance into the future. But let's go back to the Drummond Energy bands and talk a little bit about some simple setups here today. Because without understanding the basic concepts, the ACT software is an additional tool that cinches the setup. But let's talk about this as a crest of resistance that we project into the future. It's called a weak dot push sell here, and then here there's an opportunity to want to get short. Same spot right here on this left chart is shown here on the right. As we flush lower, this upper yellow area here on the right chart, this is our trade chart, is an area that we need to see price not being able to get up into, in other words the bricks. So we continue to look for lower prices. Then we get the reverse of that, the weak dot push buy opportunity right in through here to buy it, which is in the lower yellow area. This is what we call yellow area number 2, and it's drawn automatically on the trade chart with our software because we're looking at multiple time periods. Excuse me, and we're also looking at termination of energy, which is drawn automatically by the software right in through here, where there's an overlap of that green area and this lower yellow area. There's so many different setups that the trader can pick one trade setup, like this setup right here, which is the same as what we've been discussing here. Or, you know, if you're somebody that's really interested in understanding how the market works on a day-to-day basis, we get into end-of-day discussions as well. But this is what we call a bear control area, this lower crest. We know they're going to try to probe up into it here and here, and we know they're going to roll it over. So if you're interested, send us an email, jb@drummondenergybands.com. We'll look forward to seeing you, perhaps even on Tuesdays when we do our weekly webinar that you can sign up for on our front of our website. Thank you for your interest.